Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create AI theme for Edge browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Microsoft Edge has developed an AI theme generator that lets users type in a prompt to describe the theme they want to create for their Edge browser. To create a personalized theme for your Edge browser, you must be signed into your personal Microsoft account, as the theme is created using the signed in account. To create a theme, first open the Edge browser, and after that click on this one profile icon in case you have not signed into your Microsoft account, and then click on this one settings icon. Here you will find your personal account. Here click on this one sign in to sync data button. In case it requires password, enter the password to sign into your account. As I have signed into my account, after that you need to visit this one link. I will provide this one link in this one video description. Just browse this one link. After that, click on this one create a theme button. Now describe the theme you like to create. For example, I will put here Gear Up Windows. Just enter the prompt and click on this one create theme button. This will take a few seconds and will create a theme depending on your prompt, and you will preview it here. Once you are happy with this one theme, click on this one apply theme button. This will apply to your Edge browser. You can open a new tab to see this one new theme. If you are not happy with this one new theme, you can create another theme by clicking on this one create another theme link. In case you are happy with theme, you can apply, and you can also share. For sharing this one theme, click on this one share button. Here you can share with Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, or you can also copy this one URL of your theme and send it to your friend or your family. Like this, you can generate a theme, share your theme, and apply theme, AI theme on your Edge browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this theme, love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.